This is a 1029 Main Street in Dickson City, apartment 1M. Brand new renovated unit. It's a large eating kitchen, living room, 2 bedrooms, bathroom in the corner. Got a dishwasher, nice peninsula, new electric range, over-range microwave, soft close hardware. Here's the bathroom. Nice tile shower. Electric dryer, washer hookup, so we're right next to the refrigerator right there. Still being installed. You have a bedroom down in the corner and another bedroom over here. Here's a larger bedroom. Easily fit a king size bed in here, no problem. You have a ceiling fan. Nice walk-in closet. There'll be additional poles in there, 2 poles. Again, the wide angle lens on the video makes things seem smaller than it is, but you see more. So it's actually a lot bigger in person. And here's the second bedroom. With a ceiling fan as well. I have interest in this property, just go to our website, parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties, that's plural, I-E-S.com, all one word. We'll be in touch with you by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. Yeah, this is 1029 Main Street in Dickson City, apartment 1M. Everything's being renovated in the place. The exterior may have some renovation still going on, but that's only gonna be for only for a couple months.